Are doing everything they can not to get coronavirus. There's actually a group of people who are especially nervous.
It's those who already have weakened immune systems. Stay on your sides. Marco Villarreal joins us now live from Moffitt Cancer Center with more. And there are a couple of groups of people who are really concerned tonight. And if you're already under the weather, you're thinking twice about all this.
That's right. It's a lot of times people who have certain cancers or are being treated, they're concerned that COVID-19 could be a death sentence.
So a lot of patients are afraid of catching it and coming to a place where there might be a lot of sick patients.
Cancer patients often have a weakened immune system. The outbreak of coronavirus has sparked concern in patients with compromised immune systems.
When you factor in immunosuppression, the leukemia, lymphoma population, the bone marrow transplant, they can, we know, catch all kinds of viruses and have a much higher risk of severe illness and death.
Doctors say fear is not the answer.
The fear of coronavirus is one of our biggest problems, is how can we help healthcare workers and the public understand, put it into perspective.
Moffitt Cancer Center is holding emergency meetings to discuss protocol and prepare for the future.
What we're doing is trying to make sure we have an adequate supply of masks, of the hand washing soap and the alcohol soap and those kinds of things. And then just educating patients, not losing the human touch of caring for them, being with them as long as they need to.
And for those who are wondering if you're doing as good a job as maybe the hospitals are doing, we have posted a link on the News Channel 8 app. It's the EPA's best disinfectants to kill the coronavirus. Reporting live in Tampa, Marco Villarreal, 8 on your side.